How to delete watch history on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your watch history on Instagram. So if you've been watching reels or videos that you'd rather not have saved, follow along step by step to clear it. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner. That's your menu button. This opens your settings and activity. From How You Use Instagram section, tap on your activity. Now scroll down until you find the section called How You Use Instagram. Under that, tap on Watch History. Here, you'll see all the videos and reels you've watched recently. To delete them, tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the videos you want to remove or select all of them. And then tap Remove. Then tap Remove again to confirm it, and just like that, your watch history is cleared. And that's it. Your Instagram watch history has been completely deleted. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and tricks.